These days, it's harder than ever to buy a home. Prices are holding at record highs, and interest rates are a hefty 6 to 7%. You're doing what you can to prepare. You're stashing away funds for your down payment, you're saving homes on Zillow, and you're keeping an eye out on interest rates. But when's the last time you checked your credit score? Did you know even a small change in your credit can make the difference between a home that's out of budget and one that is in reach? I'm Kara Ng, a senior economist at Zillow, and this is Zillow Explains. Today, let's talk about your credit score, its impact on your buying power, and how you can raise it up to that sweet spot. So, credit scores are one of the main metrics lenders use to determine credit worthiness. They come from private companies such as FICO, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They all use their own algorithms, so they can feel a little difficult to crack. How do these companies determine your credit worthiness? By going off your existing credit, which can be a frustrating cycle. You can't build credit without access to credit, yet you can't access credit without already having credit. It's a catch-22. But finding your way out is possible and very helpful when it comes to buying a home. Mortgage lenders typically view borrowers with lower credit scores as higher risk and borrowers with higher credit scores as lower risk. So if you're a home buyer in that low risk zone, you'll benefit from more lender options, lower closing costs, better mortgage rates, and more homes to choose from. Zillow found that by bumping up your credit score from the lowest to the highest range could increase the number of homes you can afford in the nation by an average of 10%. And in expensive markets like Los Angeles, nearly 29%. To see the impact of credit score improvements on your mortgage in real time, check out the BuyAbility tool powered by Zillow Home Loans. It uses your financial information with current interest rates to give you your ideal home budget. Keep it updated as your credit score improves and see how much more you can afford. Okay, now we know what credit scores are and what they can get you. So let's talk about how you can boost them with these 5 simple hacks. First, check your credit report and keep checking it. You can easily obtain free credit reports from all 3 credit bureaus, and it's important to check it regularly for inaccuracies like misreported late payments. And when you see a mistake, dispute it. Second, if you're just starting to build credit, using credit builder tools can help you get started on the right foot. There are many programs out there that can help you build credit by reporting payment data that isn't automatically added to your credit file. For example, if you pay rent through Zillow, you can opt to have those payments reported to help you guessed it, build credit. If you pay your rent on time, of course, which leads me to my next hack. Pay your bills on time. Payment history has the single biggest impact on your credit score, but you can hack this hack by setting up automatic payments with your bank online. And if you just have one late payment currently affecting your credit score, there's a hack for that. Sending a goodwill letter to your creditor. If circumstances like medical issues, a personal loss, or a natural disaster kept you from making a payment on time, explaining that in writing could get your late payment lifted. Next, pay your full statement balance every time. When you carry a balance on your credit card over to the next billing cycle, you're essentially borrowing money from the bank and paying extra to do it. Paying off your full statements will help you reduce your credit usage ratio. If you manage to keep your credit balances below 30% of your credit limits, you'll see slow but steady improvement on your score. Some experts even recommend keeping credit usage under 10%, but avoid going as low as 0. If you're able, you can hack this hack by requesting a higher credit limit from your bank, which also helps you lower your ratio. Finally, it helps you to maintain your older accounts. Even if you don't use a credit card very often, leaving it open can actually strengthen your credit score. So, only close a credit line if it's absolutely necessary. Say, if it's exposed to fraud, if you're separating from a partner and have a shared account, or if there are high annual fees you can't afford. Lenders report to credit bureaus every 30 to 45 days, so once you start implementing some of these tips, you might find that you're seeing improvement in your score in just a few months. Boosting your credit score to your desired sweet spot, though, may take some time and hard work, but if you keep at it, it will pay off big time. Remember to update your score on our BuyAbility tool along the way. And if you want more information on credit scores and home loans, check out the many resources we've linked to in the description below. Thank you for watching and good luck.